As usual, they've laid their eggs in a hole in a termite mound. And now there are 4 chicks. The thick mud walls don't only protect chicks from predators, but insulate them from the heat of the scorching sun. The parents are working overtime. They collect thousands of seeds every day. But they have a problem. The fire season is becoming more irregular. If they are not ready to fly, chicks have no escape. But choosing to nest in a termite mound has a surprise benefit. Their home is fireproof. Concrete-like walls keep chicks safe from the flames outside. The seeds of firegrass are now easier for the parrots to find on the blackened earth. And they are the parrots' favourite food. So, for both adults and their fledgling chicks, fires are essential for survival.